Hi guys, welcome to your first e-learning video for Algebra 1. This first video is going to be the beginning of our Chapter 9, Section 1 review videos. The first video here specifically is about factoring, and we're going to do that using the diamond and rectangle method. So let's start with our diamond. You're going to take A times C, so 2x squared times negative 20, that's negative 40x squared. And then on the bottom of your diamond, you're going to put wherever b is, whatever that x term is, you're going to put it on the bottom. Remember, your x squared is always your a term, your number is always your c term, and your x is always your b term. So you're going to do a times c, put on the top, and put b on the bottom. And then you're going to look for numbers here that would multiply to negative 40, but add to negative 3. So you have to think about ways you could multiply to get negative 40. And I immediately start to think about like maybe 10 and 4 makes 40, 8 and 5 makes 40. And I think about, oh, okay, 8 and 5, that could work because 8 and 5 could somehow get me a negative 3. So I just have to figure out which of these needs to be negative. Because I only need one of them to be negative to make negative 40. And I'm going to go with the larger number here to be negative. I'm going to make the negative 8 there, so that I have negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3, and negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. And then now we're going to go ahead and move on to the rectangle. You're going to take your original x squared term, put that on the bottom left, your original constant term, your c term, on the top right, and you're going to take your x's from right here. The new x's that you found were negative 8x and 5x. Go ahead and place those in there. And now what's going to happen is we're going to try to find the product from the outside of this rectangle. So we're going to try to find the dimensions, the product. So we're going to see what I'm going to start this way. How can we find the outside? I'm going to start this way. I have 2x squared and I have 5x. I know those have an x in common. They don't really have any numbers in common that would multiply to make both of them. So I'm just going to stick with an x there. And then I can mirror that x on the opposite side. So I'm going to put an x there. And then what should go here? Well, x times 5 would make 5x. And then what should go here? Well, we know we need a 2 to make the 2. And we're going to need another x, because I only have one x there. I'm going to need another x in order to make that x squared. And then let's go ahead and mirror our things on the bottom up top. So 2x can be put up there, and 5 can be put up here, because they kind of mirror across here. And then how would we get negative 20? Well, 5 times negative 4 makes negative 20. I'm going to go ahead and mirror it across. And let's see if this works. So negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. So check. Everything has worked out. So now I have my dimensions. I have my product. I have x minus 4, and I have 2x plus 5. So that is the short video of how you can take a quadratic and use the diamond and rectangle method to factor it. So you use the diamond, a times c on the top, b on the bottom. Find these, put those on the corners there, top left and bottom right of your rectangle. Your x squared goes on the bottom left, your number goes on the top right. Then you find the outside. Once you have found the outside, you have your factors. You have 2x plus 5 as a factor, and x minus 4 as a factor.